Hi everybody, and welcome back to video number 4 in chapter 8, our last video. And here we're going to be preparing a budgeted balance sheet based on the information we have prepared so far about Royal. And here Royal reported the following account balances prior to preparing its budgeted financial statements. And it had land of $50,000, common stock of $150,000, retained earnings beginning of $248,650. We'll have to adjust that retained earnings for the end of the quarter, and then beginning equipment of $185,000. So in this case, we bring over all those items here, and 30% of sales in accounts receivable for June. You'll remember that number. We had 11,500 pounds of raw material inventory. We had 5,000 units at $499 for finished goods inventory, land of $50,000, and here our beginning April retained earnings our equipment balance was $185,000. In May we purchased another $143,700. In June we purchased another $48,300, and we had quarterly depreciation of $10,000. So that gave us equipment net of accumulated depreciation of $367,000. So our total assets were $617,130. So now liabilities and stockholders' equity, we have accounts payable $28,400, common stock of $150,000. Now retained earnings was $438,730, and we got that. Let's see if I can do it real quickly here. We started out with retained earnings of $438,730. So now what we need to do is adjust that. Our beginning balance was $248,650. We added the net income that we got from our income statement, backed out the $49,000 of dividends, and that gave us an ending balance of $438,730. We bring over our adjusted equipment balance, net of accumulated depreciation, and the total assets, as you can see, equal the total liabilities and stockholders' equity. It's often tempting to forget that retained earnings balance needs to be adjusted for the net income and the dividends for the period before the total assets will equal total liabilities and stockholders' equity. Okay, that ends our chapter 4 or chapter 8. And when we return, we'll move on to chapter 9. Until that time, bye for now.